Hey, hello world! On today's video, we're going to unbox the new Ulanzi wireless mic. So let's see what's inside the box. So, this is, so this is the Ulanzi AM18. So let's unbox this. Okay. Okay, so let's turn this up, open this up, and okay, so what's inside the box? The manual. This is okay. Let's remove this one first so you can access. Okay, so this is the, guess what is this? A damper. Okay. What's inside the box? So here's the case. I think this one is the chargers. Let's see. Okay. The soundproofing. No, the wind noise, a bag. Okay, so what's this? Well, I have no idea what's this. There's how many? 3. Oh, maybe that you can like mic A, mic B. Okay, so there's a cord for the mic, I think. This one for the iPhone, iOS, and for the Type C. Oh, there's 2 Type C, one long, one short. So let's put this one here. Okay. Then let's open the mic. Okay. Okay. So Ulanzi, the case, it's kind of bulky. Oh, there's a pre-charge on it. So where should, let's remove the plastic. How do you, which one is A, which one is B? Ah, okay. So because there's 3, the charging cable for this one. So, hello? Oh, now it's automatically been like, if you can see, is it on? Is it recording? Let's see. This one, let's remove the plastics. Which one is A, which one is B? Does it matter? Okay, so let's put this one here and try. Hello. Okay, so before you can see the 2 mics, now it's single. So let's try this. Let's try this. see. Okay, because I'm using the iPhone now. How do you? Huh? Okay, right here. Okay, I'm going to put this on the phone. Okay, so we're back. Now I'm testing the mic. This one mic, and I don't know what's this. Maybe different. Like the setup is kind of bulky. Test mic, test mic. Okay, good morning. So now we're testing the new Ulanzi mic, and the mic is in here. I also put a wind protection. So let's test how far this mic go. Right now I think I'm 6 feet. So let's walk, walk, walk. Okay, is it choppy or can you still hear me? It's like, I don't know, 30 feet? 30. So let's go far. And by the way, we're here at the Woodward Park. This is the second day. There's a Koi Society show here in Woodward Park beside the Zenshan Garden. So here, can you still hear me? I don't know, probably 50 meters, 60. So I'm here at the fence route. So can you still hear me? So let's go back. I'll show you when I get close to the. Oh yeah, by the way, Ulanzi, we got a problem. Why? Now I'm using the phone, the iPhone, but you can't use this for the USB Type C. You can't. Yeah, I can't use it to I can't use it in iPhone 15, Galaxy Flip 5, because it's Type C USB. So I wish I ordered in Amazon a ISO to Type C. So hopefully it works, because I'm going to trade my my iPhone for iPhone 15. So I'm going to show you the. I wish I can put the camera inside, but there's maybe it's only there. But I'll ask the other guy. So if you can see right there. By the way, I'm using the 15. Correction, I'm using the 14 Pro Max, not the 15. Okay, so I'm going to ask him if I can dip the Insta360 X3 so you can see the fish. Oh, I think they're changing the water. So this is for sale.
Yes.
350. So by the way, can I dip this one to take film?
Where's that bin?
Huh?
Where's the bin?
No, in the house. I just came from the house.
Well,
Oh no, maybe it could be contaminated. Oh, I know.
Yeah, it's contaminated.
Yeah. Sorry about
I'll
that.
tell you what. If you let me go dip that in that tank over there, I'll let you dip it in here.
Okay, so
So all that over there is a real light solution of no rinse.
okay, now it's okay.
And so if you let me go sanitize this, go now. Now it just has clean tubes on it.
Okay. Thank you. Oops. Okay, let's dip this in. Okay. What about this one, the small one, the canto?
All the small ones in here are full.
Oh, okay.
That's why they're in here. The things out. You guys can go home and
This is.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
That's fascinating. I did say there was water.
So, they sanitize the camera. Oh, there's a. They sanitize the camera so I can dip this in. So, I don't know. So, let me try if I can. There's a big one over there. So, let's see. Okay, good morning. So, I don't know what's happening to this mic. So, let's try it. I'm going far away because when I'm talking, it's kind of normal, like the mic is the actual mic of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So the last time I didn't test it this morning at the house. So here you go. I don't know if you can hear me. So I did test it to the Galaxy Flip 5 and it's working, and also the 15 Pro Max is working. But now I did an early video. When I check it, it's kind of the mic is using the mic is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So now I'm far. If you didn't hear me, it's not working. I don't know why. Maybe it's kind of like needs an update or. Okay, let's test this. And as always, if it's worked, always stay safe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time.